Hello everyone and welcome to my bike shed. Today I want to install my brand new Mosko Moto Nomad tank bag on my BMW 1200 GS. First thing first, get rid of the rigging gear of the old tank bag. Clean it all up and take it from there. Since I don't know how to position the tank bag on my motorbike just yet, I decided to put all the stuff what I normally carry in a tank bag in this one, and then I have a really good idea what the best position on the bike will be. This is pretty much all the stuff I permanently have in my tank bag. For some people it's a bit of overkill, but I just like to do photography and filming, so everyone has his own demands of the gear he has to take with him. The key for me is it all has to live in there, so it's handy to grab and it has to be charged inside the bag. So what I do now is I stop the video and pack it all in and come up with a solution, because I just really don't want to boring you now with putting the stuff together. Okay, so that is the harness I have to put, hold on around here where the old one was, and this is where the bag snaps in. That was easy. Then you snap them together like that so it can't fall away, and that's it. This is where you hang in. Let's just make sure it's all nice and neat and not twisted, so that's fine. Okay, so that's that bit done. Now we need the bag. Okay, so that goes here, and these buckles snap in here. Right, so now we got it in position, and I think what I have to do is obviously tighten them up now. And then I have to see how I put the back straps in. I think I know pretty much where I want to put them. And that is it. Right, okay, so I have everything in place now. Have a look. About here, I think that looks pretty neat. So let me show you what I did. It's quite a nice tight package. It's really tight here, so that is excellent. The only thing I have to do now is make sure that the straps are properly attached down there, because I only did that with some basic cable ties just to get it all into place. But overall, I'm really pleased with that. That is a nice, neat package, but I'll show you more in a minute. If you ask why I always put, hold on, if you ask why I always put my glasses on and off, the camera has problems focusing when I have my glasses on. It doesn't like my face. When I have the glasses on now, it's basically bouncing all over the place, the autofocus, and now it's locked in my pretty face. So sorry for that. But let me show you now. Just take the camera off and then I show you what I did. One second. Let's have a look down here first. Let's get a bit more light in there. So that goes around here and onto the other side. That's solid. Here the fastener goes on the strap, goes behind the seat, and then you see down here I just put a normal cable binder around it just to place. What they give you is these super duper heavy duty cable binder. They actually have a metal clip in there to hold in place. So that's the reason why I used normal cable binders first, just to get an idea on how that all works. So let's just cut off the old cable tie. And then I think the best way for me to do it is put it here somewhere, maybe. Put a cable tie in here and one around here. I think that's what I will do. that should suit me nicely. So that goes this way, okay. Let's put that here. And then you go, if you can see this in between those, because that makes a bit better. And strap it on so you don't have a kink in there. I think that is definitely a better solution. Actually, what I could do is, nope, I changed that slightly. I put one in on the bottom around here and one up here, and then we're good. That's tight. That's going nowhere. And the other one goes further up. We put that around here. That looks all right, not complaining. And now the other side. So, all done, all tidy. So the next thing is what I have to do is just get it all nice and tight, and then I show you exactly how it all works. So these straps here, you just pull them through. I mean, apparently so they're really tight, like that. Done. Let's check that out again and put the seat back on. This time I'll put the seat underneath, and I will tell you in a minute why. So all you need to do now is to take the tank bag off. You unbuckle it here on all 4 corners and you take it with you. So that was pretty easy to install the back. It's really well fixed to my motorbike. I'm really happy with it. There's absolutely nothing flying around in there. Everything is in place. I got all the stuff in there what I wanted to have in there. So what are my first thoughts about it? I'm happy with that bag. It does exactly what I set out to do. I'm really happy with how everything is organized, how small the bag is, how practical it is. The mounting system, well, it is made for fitting all the ADV bikes out there. It is not ideal for your GS. So if you ride a really nice BMW GS, this bag is not for you. Because using this bag, you will guaranteed scratch the lacquer on your tank or somewhere else on the bike. So I'm afraid that is not for you. If you're like me and your motorbike is just a tool and already has a lot of scratches and dents, well, go for it. I think there's not many better tank bags out there if you are really into off-road riding. For the average rider, for the touring rider, buy something else, look after something else. This is not the bag for you. Terribly sorry, but I have to be honest about this. I know everyone thinks that is a really super cool bag for every bike, but it really isn't. So I keep it obviously because it suits me well. So my next step is upgrading my saddlebag. Obviously, you know, the new saddlebags from Lone Rider go on. Then I have to put my spokes wheels on it, so the bike will set again for a little bit of tougher terrain. And yeah, I take it from there, guys. You look after yourself. If you like my video, make sure you click the subscribe button. And until then, guys, whatever you do, ride safe. See you later. Bye.